Oh, good morning, Vietnam. You guys don't know that one, right? You gotta say it a little bit louder, though. You say, good morning, Vietnam. That's just an old Robin Williams movie reference, right? I forget where it's from. Anyway, rest his soul. Anyway, okay, so, I'm trying to go out to the store this morning. And beautiful day out today. It's a little bit chilly. Hope you guys are all staying warm, because I didn't have any choice but to get a little bit cold. So you know how much I love the cold. Look at that beautiful sun. Oh, there's my Nova with the sun shining down upon thy car. Beautiful. Oh, let's take a look at what is going on in here with my best accent that I can produce. Old English, perhaps. Maybe a little bit of stupid American. I don't know. You be the judge. This is a straight 6. Hello. It's a straight 6. Straight 6. 256. And it is not the way it's supposed to be, but you know what? It works. Right? The air filter, all that. That's not right. Look at all those open things. That's not right. But it works. Look at all this over here. Oh man, that's a beast of an engine, huh? That's what they say. Everybody says, oh, it's a bulletproof engine. It means, I can't kill this thing. So what the heck is the problem, Alex? What the heck is the problem? Why are you showing us this car? What the hell is that black box? This is a charging box, right? Everybody knows jumper cables, but a charging box. When you're stuck out in BFE like me, right? With nobody around, this is what you need. Now this right here is a Sears 40/2 amp manual battery charger, 200 amp engine starter for 12 volt batteries. What does that mean? It's gonna save your ass when your battery runs out of power and there's nobody else to jump you. So what do you gotta do? You gotta hook it up. You gotta go out into the frickin' cold. You gotta go hook it up and then fucking bring it over here. Oh, pardon me. Gotta edit that out. Bring it over here and start charging it. Now there's a 2 amp charge, and then there's, and that'll do good. All right. Well, I can actually go. I could do 40 amp charge, right? 40 amp charge. I think I want 40 amp charge. You know why you do a 2 amp charge? Is if you were charging it all night, and that's what you call a trickle charge, right? Slow charge. And I think it's working. Let's see. Okay. We'll go back to 2 amp. Uh-oh. Maybe I'm fucking it up. Anyway. You just play around with the switches. There's even a 200. So it's 2 amp, 12 volt, 40 amp, 12 volt, or 200 amp, 12 volt. That just basically means how much juice, how many amps is going through the line, right? That's the real stuff of electricity, is the amps, right? You can have 200 amps, but if you only got a volt of electricity, a volt, it's still gonna hurt, right? It's still gonna hurt, but it won't jump and hit you, right? So volts that measures electrical pressure. And it's kind of like water out of a hose. That's how it's always been described to me. Water out of a hose. Amps is the amount of water that's coming out of the hose. So whether you got a gallon per minute coming out or you got 10 gallons per minute coming out, all right? And then how is that gallon trickling out, or is that 10 gallons trickling out? Is the voltage? That's the pressure. So if you have a gallon coming out at 100 pounds PSI and it's shooting out with a lot of pressure, right? Well, then you can get some work done, right? the water will you can get the water to go all over your garden. But if you got 10 gallons coming out and it's only you can't get it to just, you know, kind of chug out onto the ground, well, then you got to carry that hose around and you're probably wasting a lot of water and all that. But anyway, that's just my take on it. So it's charging because, you know, I've got battery problems and I'm too broke to get a new battery right now. But let's see how it does. It's been charging for, let's say, 5 minutes right now. So you can go in here. Oh, look at that, my reflection. Hi, everybody. Look at me. Do I look like a mountain man, huh? Do I look like a country old mountain man? Okay. Da 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 da, the Nova. Start the Nova, yeah. Here we go. Oh, so close. Let's try this again. Oh. Oh, isn't that a beautiful thing? It wouldn't start before, trust me. You think I wanted to get that thing out of the cold? No, sir. I did not want to get it out of the cold. Now, I got it to start. Oh, man, I'm off like a herd of turtles. Like a herd of turtles. Woo! Let's hear it for the Nova. Nova, Nova, Nova. Everybody loves the Nova. Woo, woo, woo. Oh, listen to it. Listen to it. Listen to it. Oh, my goodness. Oh, you guys are so lucky. Not everybody gets to hear that. Uh-oh. God dang it. Man, so much for celebrations. Let's try this again. Hope this is really freaking enjoyable for you guys. Huh? This is comedy gold with a little bit of education. Oh, Jesus. Okay. Second time's the charm. There you go. There you go, Betty. Betty Nova, that's her name. Betty Nova Boop. Betty Boop Nova. Love you, Betty. Mwah. Alright. What a day. What a day already. Start this puppy up. Come on. Stay going. Oh no. Oh no. Fudge. What do you guys think, huh? What do you guys think? I know you guys are... What is it today? Today's the 18th. Beautiful 18th. No rain today, thank God. Oh man, you guys want to go cruising? Cruising in my Nova? Woo! Got my cigarettes empty. That's why I gotta go get more. Alright, well, that was that. That was fun, huh? I hope you guys laughed. At me. With me. Hope you guys are laughing with me. Not at me. I don't care if you laugh at me too. That's fine. I'm laughing at you too. Haha. Beautiful day. Got the Nova started. Hooray! Peace.